Oh, warm. That's a nice car truck thing you got. So nice. Our place is so nice. Mad.
Our house, actually.
Yeah, I know.
Dad, you did a good job of picking the house.
And I got this soda. Remy boys that know. Fast running on slow.
Oh, that's a warm car. Where are we going, Zoe?
I don't actually know. Kmart?
Yeah, but why?
Did you want Google Maps back on?
Because we have no luggage.
So,
And we need clothes.
so we're gonna get some clothes. Our clothing, our normal clothes, should arrive tonight or in about 2 hours, but it takes a while to actually get to the house because they're bringing it to the house for us. And these are our cousins and family that I haven't introduced to the vlog yet. But, yeah, hell yeah. Hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. I haven't really said much today on this vlog. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we went out to do some clothes shopping because our suitcases aren't here yet. Hopefully they're here tonight, but I don't really know much about the situation. I'm going to do this because you can't really see what I'm saying. And it's a bit overcast today. It's quite nice though, really warm. It's quite windy as well, so I don't know if there's going to be some rain, but it's just chilling out really. Zoe's gone with Evie, my cousin, to the beach. I wasn't really fussed about going. I'm a bit tired. I just want to chill at home really. I'm not really fussed. We got like 2 weeks to do anything like that. This is our balcony bit. Don't know if I showed you in the last vlog. I forgot to say goodnight as well. Out there is the bush, as every Australian calls it. Just any bit of shrubbery is the bush. Basically, if you go in there, there's like a beach, and there were some kangaroos down there, or I saw one kangaroo, which was pretty interesting. I've never seen. I didn't know they would be in the wild like this. I thought you have to go out further into Australia to see them, but they're just by the beach. They come out at kind of dusk and dawn when it's not too hot, and they just chill over there. But it's quite cool. First day, first kangaroo. I'm gonna try and see if I can find one tonight as well. We've got literally no plans for the rest of the holiday. We've got things we can do like the beach, and we've got kayaks here we can take out into the water as you saw yesterday. And obviously Christmas is coming up. It's mad, it's like so warm here, and Christmas is just like around like a couple of days away. It's a Friday today and Christmas is on Monday morning. We haven't got each other any presents really, because we couldn't bring anything big, and we said we were just going to get it over here, and then none of us can think of what we'd want to get each other. We're not going to be opening anything on Christmas morning. I don't care. Me and Zoe have got to the stage now where we do not care about presents or anything. Like, you know when you're a kid and you're like, oh, I can't imagine being like an adult, like you look at your parents, they don't get anything, like I can't imagine not getting any presents. And it's just not really bothered, really. It's nice getting presents, but it's like, you don't have to do that, it's fine. These vlogs are going to go into each other, I've decided, because like the ones I did for Cornwall, because there's no point putting parts out where they're like 2 minutes long and you're not seeing anything of the day. So I'll just show you things as and when they come. So see you in a bit. Oh, hello. Right, so I'm now walking into Mozzie territory because of all the trees everywhere. This is down there towards where I saw the kangaroo. I'll show you in a minute. It won't be here. I don't think I'll see any kangaroo because they hide in the daytime because it's too hot. I'm gonna go this way. I'm so getting lost. I'm gonna get so fucking lost. December for them is the first month of summer, where ours is June, so it's not even as hot as it can get. August, or for them February, is the hottest. I want to see some wildlife, some deadly shit. Evidence of kangaroo. That's kangaroo shit. I haven't found any creatures. A bit disappointing that. Oh, I found a car park there. So it's now night time and I'm outside. I was just going to show you a frog noise that's really weird, but he's decided to shut up now. Ooh. Ooh, something jumped out. Something fell into the bush. I need a light. Quick. Oh, that scared the hell out of me. Have you got your phone? Something just jumped out. I don't know. I'm going to prop the camera up briefly. I'm going to do some prodding around. I found Mr. Frog. It's a frog. Hey little dude, just like normal frogs. He's just chilling there. Alright mate? Alright mate, how you doing? How close can I get to him? Oh, he's not gonna flip out, is he? Hello? Mr. Frog? He's staying so still. He's not too, he's quite big. Oh, fucking hell. Just gets the shit out of me when they move. Oh. You think they're gonna jump out at you? Right, that's the fun over for that. It's not really an Aussie animal. You can find a frog anywhere. Suitcases are supposed to arrive soon. They said between 9 and 1 o'clock in the morning they will arrive, so cheers for that. Hey guys, so it's come to the end of the day today. Like, you may not have seen much on the footage, like on the film. The trip took about 26 hours, our luggage isn't here. We're gonna have to make do. We're gonna probably go tomorrow to get some clothes to just support us for the day or 2 days. I was gonna get swim shorts and just normal shorts originally anyway, because obviously there's none in the UK, as I've said like 3 times now, I keep forgetting. That journey's mental, you just realise how far away from home you are. But I'm gonna get some sleep now, and tomorrow we will do whatever. So hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and make sure to share this with your friends because they'll enjoy it as well. Bye.